You wake up to an alarm. You count the hours between you and the end of the day before your feet even hit the floor. And somewhere in the back of your mind, a quiet thought appears. Your ancestors had it easy. No inbox, no deadlines, just sunlight and survival. But the real answer is far stranger. So what did your ancestors actually do all day? Start with food. You picture endless desperate hunting, starvation always one bad day away. Then the data broke that picture apart. In the 1960s, the anthropologist Richard Lee counted exactly how many hours the Jew/Huansi foragers of the Kalahari spent finding food. The number stunned the field. Around 15 hours a week, 2 or 3 hours a day. The rest of the time was simply theirs. Theirs to talk, theirs to rest, theirs to sit in the shade and do nothing at all. Does that sound like a brutal fight for survival to you? The hours they did not spend on food, they spent on each other, talking, storytelling, arguing, teasing. In a small band, your reputation could feed you or starve you, so the endless conversation was not a break from survival. It was survival. Your brain still carries the proof. You replay social moments late at night. You feel a small jolt of pain the moment you sense you have been left out. That ache is ancient. And their bodies? The researcher Herman Poncer measured the Hadza of Tanzania, who walk for miles every single day. He expected them to burn far more energy than someone sitting in an office chair. They burned about the same. Your body holds a daily budget, and it quietly adapts. Movement was not exercise. Movement was just life. Even their sleep breaks the myth. Sleep scientists led by Jerome Siegel, studying foraging groups on 3 different continents, found they slept around 6.5 hours a night, stayed up talking after dark, and woke before sunrise with no alarm at all. There was no line between work and rest, gathering, walking, talking, resting by the fire as the stars came out. It all flowed together into one continuous thing called living. And here is the twist. You imagine progress as a straight line, with you standing at the comfortable end. But farming did not make life easier. It made it more demanding. More hours, less variety, more disease. You did not inherit your busy, sleep-starved day from the deep past. You inherited it from a recent bargain. Security in exchange for time. You feel the echo whenever a long walk finally quiets your head, whenever you wake on your own, with no alarm, completely rested. That is not nostalgia, that is recognition. So tomorrow, you awake to an alarm, but now you know the quiet fantasy had it backwards. The simpler life was never behind you, waiting to be missed. It was inside you the whole time, asking only to be remembered.